Hi Sharon, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Karibu sana.
Asante. So labda I'll just go and sit there.
Yeah, sure.
You can start introducing the show. I can see you have a nice place.
Beautiful garden.
Mm-hmm.
It's also very well tended to.
Uh-huh.
And usually this is where we come and relax.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Asante sana. So
Karibu
maybe you can
sana.
just have a seat here.
Yes.
So that you can introduce the show, right?
Sure.
Okay. Hello and welcome to the Ltn Property Show with me, Sharon Ongao. Now we're making a debut of this show at Silver Habor Apartments that's located at Kindaruma Road in Yaya Center. And to help me maybe discuss about these beautiful apartments, I have a very pretty lady with me here. Maybe she'll tell us her name and what she does here. Karibu sana.
Oh, asante sana.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm Jeanette. Welcome to Silver Habor Apartments.
Asante.
As you can see, it's beautiful. It's a gorgeous
Beautiful.
property.
Yeah.
Here I'm a sales executive.
Okay.
Yeah, I take people around. I show them the property. I give them the options, and they buy depending on what they want. Yeah.
Nice. I can't wait to hear much more about this.
Yes.
But again, Jeanette, you know, when it comes to real estate,
Yes.
it's normally a male-dominated area.
Oh yeah.
Passion or what brought you to real estate?
Funny story. When I was in school, I did nothing to do with property, nothing to do with marketing. But I knew the course I was doing, I wasn't going to use it. I
Which
knew
course
it.
was that?
I knew it. ICT, I did ICT
Oh,
in
really?
school.
Okay.
And teaching, by the way.
Okay,
Both
okay.
courses. But I knew somehow it would interact with what I would do in future, but I knew it wasn't what I was going to pursue. So this property thing, it just came by. And actually, funny thing again, I did a project in school, including real estate as part of my project.
In the ICT?
Yeah, because you do
okay.
a last project in school.
Okay.
So that's what I did. But this is actually passion. Definitely passion.
Passion.
Yes,
I can
definitely.
see.
Yeah. I love talking to people.
Show house.
Yes.
Showroom.
This is the show house.
Show house.
Yes.
So
Karibu
tell
sana.
us about the show house. It's so pretty.
Thank you. This is a 3-bedroom apartment. I had mentioned this prior. It is a 3-bedroom plus a DSQ. So the door you're seeing outside is the DSQ.
Okay.
Then the best part, the security. This right here is the intercom. So the reason we haven't removed this is because this is going to be someone's house. Actually, it's already taken.
It's already taken.
Yes. So when you look downstairs, you can be able to unlock for someone who's calling you from downstairs. Yeah. And then you're able to talk to the management, get the notices from the management without having to go to the management office. You can also get to talk to them. You can call. That goes directly to the management office. So in case you have any query, you just ask from right over here. Yes.
Now this 3-bedroom is the 19 million.
This is the one.
Indeed, it's so spacious.
Yes, it is.
So spacious.
Yeah, so the living room, as you can see, and you have a balcony for all of them, by the way. So every living room comes with a balcony. And then every kitchen comes with a balcony. So in total,
So
we
maybe
have
we can just go even to the balcony
Yes.
just to have a feel of it.
right?
I already feel like
This is home. So we really wanted people to feel, or the developer really wanted people to feel at home, not just have an apartment and you have no feel of it. So yeah.
it's so nice. So maybe let's move to the favorite part of the house that I love. That's
Which
the
one is?
kitchen. Everything happens in the kitchen.
True.
So Jeanette, let's talk about the kitchen.
Your favorite part?
Hey, kwanza the dining table.
You
My
know?
goodness, the interior decor is on point.
Thank you so much. You can tell this is not too much. It's just right and just enough for a family. Even if you are like 3 or 4 members of a family, this is still enough. So with the dining area, it's right next to the kitchen, so that there's convenience. You don't want to go all the way across the room to get to the dining table. So that's why the thought of this comes in
I
here.
love the thought here because most of the dinings you find that they're normally placed somewhere around
In the
sitting
living room,
or
yeah.
living room.
Yeah.
What's the difference between living room and sitting room? Is there any difference?
No difference.
No difference. So let's just be African sitting room.
It is well.
It's okay. So let's talk about the kitchen.
Yes. So you can see there's so much thought that went into it. Here you can be able to put your own hood. You can also, so here we're supposed to have a cutout so you get to fit your own burner.
Okay.
That's why we've not done that.
Because I was about to ask.
Yes. So with the burner, you get to pick your own and know how many burners you want,
yeah.
so that you can come and fit. And you can see the next part is that we have the oven and the microwave separately, because of course having the burner this other side, then the microwave can't fit.
Yeah.
So that's why we did a different setup for you to be able to just fit it in. The fridge goes right there, a 2-door fridge, enough space for a family. Yeah.
You see if it's enough space.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's enough. And hey, with the show house, yani, you just feel like it's a complete setting.
It is.
Someone can just buy with everything that is in here.
It is.
Yeah. So let's proceed. Where next? Maybe you can lead us.
So this is a very spacious balcony. You can use it as a laundry area. As you can see, we have a socket right here. This is the socket for the washing machine. That's the tap for the washing machine, and the floor trap, of course.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So this can also be used as somewhere to put up your storage. You know, some people have added a little bit of storage material over here. Then the DSQ.
Nice.
Yeah, you can access the DSQ from the back side or the front side. So it depends. Some people have used the DSQ as an office. Some people use it as just a DSQ, like a servant's quarter. So yeah. This is our first bedroom. Karibu.
Nice.
We actually call it the boys' room. You can tell from the decor that it's very, very boyish. You can see the stars, the astronauts, the moon. Everything speaks boy, but it's just the first one. If you have all girls, we are welcome. You're welcome to just do whatever you want with it. But this is our decor, so feel free. As you can see, it fits a desk. We can fit a small desk right over here, a big bed, a small storage right there, and the closets, all of them are sliding door. And now this being the first bedroom, the bathroom is still right there.
Oh, it's all inside.
Yes, it is. And they're all very well lit, as you can see. Natural lighting coming in. You're safe. Yeah.
I'm wondering if this is the boys' room. I'd like to see the girls' room.
Oh,
Is there
you're
any
in
girls'
for a
room
treat.
around? Oh, okay, okay. And then after this show, maybe you'll give me the interior designer because we need to talk about this, yeah?
Let's go.
All right.
As you can see,
Oh, wow.
this
It's
speaks
even much
girl.
fancier.
Yes, it is. This speaks girl all the way through. As you can see, it's quite pink, it's beautiful, it's huge. And then we have a bay window.
I love this.
Yeah,
I love
most people prefer the raised one because you can put some pillows. I'll show you in the other house.
Yeah.
You can do some pillows and make it somewhere to just relax, you know, without having to worry about seats and all that. So this works really, really well. As you can see, the floors are still the same. In all bedrooms, we have laminate flooring, which is warmer than the tile. So that's why we opted for the laminate and not the tile.
Nice. I see what you did there with the cultural stuff.
See?
Yeah, all pink.
Gorgeous, right?
And I love this.
The chandelier. Oh, yes. But this doesn't come with the house. I'll show you the lights that come with the house later.
Okay, okay.
This
okay.
is just
For
part of the...
showroom.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. But if I was the person buying this, I think I'd go with the same.
Most people have actually opted to do that.
Okay.
Do you like?
Yeah, I love everything on this space.
Thank you. So the last thing I wanted to show you is the guest cloakroom. As you can see, this serves the guests right over here in the living room. So you don't have to worry about your guests going into your private spaces. So, yeah. first floor. You can actually exercise. It's good for the heart. So this is block A. Still 3 bedrooms, but without a DSQ.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 2 apartments per floor still, and the lifts in the middle for convenience. Karibu, this is a 3-bedroom apartment. Same everything, same finishing, but now this is a very different layout, as you can tell. Yeah, so this is a 3-bedroom master and suite.
Nice.
Without a DSQ.
Without a DSQ.
Yes.
So this one goes for how much?
This is 15.5.
15.5.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, that is a bit more reasonable, and you can even, it's more for the middle class, you know, who wants to purchase a house and, you know, doesn't feel like they need to spend too much. Yeah.
Nice. I love the glass doors, you know, like
Exactly, and the lighting is really good. This is actually the first floor. We have a bit of higher floors available, but having the first floor bringing in so much light can tell you that this is a good development. Yeah.
Very true, very true. And even the dining space. This is what I was telling you about.
The living room and the dining.
Space. Yeah.
But still, it's not that far off because the dining area is right next to the kitchen. So behind you is the kitchen space. Now the lighting that you can see right now, the chandeliers that you can see, this is exactly what you get with the house. Yeah, and like the other space where we did it more for the show house, this one is definitely what you get. Yes.
Nice, nice. And then even with the kitchen,
Yeah.
now I love the fact that the kitchen is kind of hidden.
Ah,
Like
yes,
sunset
yes,
setup,
yes,
you know what I
yes.
mean?
Most people actually prefer that.
Yes.
So with the kitchen being a bit closed plan,
Yeah, close plan.
yeah, you find that you find that it's way more spacious, way more, you can do so much here. Yes.
And it's so spacious. And then plus, now this one comes with the micro.
Yes, the burner.
The burners.
This is now, actually it's for some people we've actually offered this. Depending on your payment plan also, we throw it in as an incentive. Yeah, we've done that for so many of our clients. So you never know. If you're lucky, you'll get one of those. Yeah, and it's a 6-burner, very spacious. You don't have to worry about your cooker, your gas being seen. Your oven is also attached to it. So it's everything in one. Yeah, very neat.
And the storage places.
Definitely. So the storage spaces are very crisp and very wide. So it makes your house look even bigger and much more brighter. Yes.
I love the white shade.
Right?
And the kitchen, I must say, is big compared to like many houses.
Many houses give very, very limited space, which we know. We are African. We have to look into this thing.
Next, where are we going to?
This is the first bedroom. Just like you saw the other previous show house.
Nice.
Still cute, still cushy. So you can tell now this is what I wanted to show you.
Oh yeah,
Right?
about the pillows.
Yeah, the bay window, it's such a cozy place to be. You know, you can just sit there, read a book, relax, and you can tell our noise, you can't hear the noise from outside. When you open the balcony, that's when you realize, oh, it's so noisy. But the glass that we've used cancels out the noise.
Okay.
So it's sort of soundproof. Yes.
So I can tell this is the girls' room.
Yes,
based
it
on
is.
the decor.
And like I mentioned earlier, I'll show you the lights that come with the house. So this is,
These are the lights.
yeah, these are the lights. So if you want to maybe something dull, you can do just that.
Okay.
If you want something too bright, then this is your light. It's usually very bright. Yes,
So every unit in these apartments comes with
with these lights.
nice.
And we give the curtain rods as well. I noticed that some developers don't. Like these small finishes, we do everything for you. So when you come in, you're just bringing your stuff.
I was almost saying documents.
Documents you still
Bring
not
your
there.
stuff.
You bring your stuff.
Okay.
And the closet's still the same thing. So what we see in the show house is exactly what you get.
That's what you get. I love the closet. Maybe you can take us through the closet.
Okay. It's quite easy to open, quite easy to use. Since this is like a baby's room, So every kid can also be able to just open their own closet. It's also quite accessible. If it's hanging places, you have places where you can do your storage for foldable clothes. Even up there, you can be able to do some storage. So it's really not at any disadvantage at all. Yeah.
Nice.
So this one you can even fit 2 beds if you do it this way, or you can just fit 1 big bed. It's up to you. The closet still remains, the brightness still stands out, the light, like I told you, is still there. Yes.
I love the lighting.
Right?
I mean, when I was seeing from the other side the chandeliers, maybe I can even go with this and I'm good.
Thank you. This is what I wanted to show you.
Yeah, very nice. So maybe we proceed to the master?
Yes, let's do that.
Okay.
It's quite spacious because you don't have any interruptions over here with the closet. So the closet is on the side, giving you more room in the master bedroom.
Nice.
The chandeliers that you're looking at, this comes with every apartment, regardless of whether it's a 2 or a 3. So this is what
comes with the chandelier?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I was about to ask about the lightings you did with the 2 other rooms, for the boys and girls. But now with the master, it comes with the chandelier.
Yes, the master gets this and the gypsum finish as well.
Okay. Plus the curtain rods?
Everything that you see, except the furniture, of course.
The furniture.
Yes.
How about if I want the furniture?
Then you add a little bit of money and we can do this for you, yes.
How much is this house?
This one is 15.5, negotiable. So you can even get it a bit lower. But I think when we talk and when you tell us your payment plan, it's easier to know what to give you. Yes.
Nice.
So you've seen the first amenity. It's the garden area.
Yeah.
This is quite an amazing feature because the first thing that you see and come across is not the parking. So that is quite something. And then we also have an indoor heated swimming pool, which you should see later.
Yeah, but we just showed them.
Yes, we also have a gym, a very fully equipped gym, 2 floors actually. Yeah, so you can do so much within that gym. And as you can see, we have 2 amazing waterfalls at the entrances. So the first thing you come across is not something that is just a building. You see beauty, you see water, you know. Yeah.
As you called it, welcome home.
Exactly, and we also have an indoor play area for kids. So they can also still play at the garden area, but we still have an extra space. Should the weather be bad, should they have a party, a birthday party, we still have the play area for kids, which is indoor.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. We didn't see that though. Anyway, that's so nice. And maybe as we're wrapping up the show, maybe you can remind our LTN viewers about the payment plans and then plus the location of this place. Maybe anything else you want to add.
Okay, so hello. I'm delighted to be in front of you today. If you want to purchase an apartment in Silver Habor Apartments, we have a tailor-made, and we can actually tailor-make a payment plan for you. You don't have to worry about what to do, what to have, what not to have. Just contact one of us and we are going to be there for you. We are going to show you exactly what you need to do. Also, we only have 3 bedrooms remaining. The one for 19.8, we still have only 1 remaining, but it's on offer. Should it go, well, we still have the 15.5 one, but we have other projects coming up, one in Upper Hill and one on Kindaruma Road, still along this way. So contact us. We have so much in store. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Junette.
You're very welcome.
Indeed, the pleasure was all mine. At least you've showed me around a lot of places, and I'm really delighted.
Okay.
I love everything about this place.
Thank you so much.
And thanks so much for the interview. So guys, with that marks the end of this show. I bet you loved the spaces as much as I did. So see you next time on Lolwe TV on the Property Show. Remember, the Property Show comes every Saturday at 6:30 p.m. with me, Sharon Ongao. Bye and see you soon.